Dumpster rental service in Papillion, Nebraska. At 402 Container, we proudly offer dependable dumpster rental service in Papillion, Nebraska. We understand how essential it is to have a reliable waste disposal solution for your projects. Whether cleaning your home, working on renovations, or managing a construction site, our dumpsters efficiently handle all types of waste, helping you keep your project site organized and clutter-free. We simplify the rental process so you can focus on getting the job done. From timely delivery to hassle-free pickup, our team is dedicated to keeping your project on track. We prioritize customer satisfaction, going the extra mile to provide high-quality service tailored to your needs. When you choose 402 Container, you're choosing a trusted partner in waste management. Our friendly team is always ready to assist, ensuring you have the right dumpster for your project. Booking is fast and easy, and we're happy to answer any questions you may have throughout the process. Call us at 402-979-5900 to schedule your dumpster rental today. Let's make your waste management process simple, efficient, and worry-free. Partner with 402 Container for your next project and experience top-tier dumpster rental service.